Yeah, it's Chopper here. Welcome to today's video. I'm gonna apologize off the rip because I told you guys I was gonna put the rims on today, but that's gonna have to wait till next video. What I'm gonna do today is we're gonna go to Big Red. We're gonna turn her on, and I'm gonna give you guys an update. But before we do that, I'm over here in Pep Boys. I'm gonna get some wheel locks for the rims because the coupe sleeps outside, and we all know how disrespectful these thieves could get. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta put some wheel locks on, make sure they don't try to take the wheels from the car or try to take the car at all. But I think I'm pretty good on that. So let's go inside, let's get some wheel locks, and then we shoot over to my garage. Let's go. All right, guys. What do we got here? Let's see. I need 12 by 1.5. That's what I'm looking for. So what are these here? These over here. I guess they don't have them then here. I'll try to find some regular 12 by 1.5. Yep, it's looking like a fail right now. It's looking like a major fail. This is what I came up with. I actually picked up these from Pep Boys. Pep Boys didn't have the locks I was looking for, so I had to come to Advanced Auto. But let me show you the locks I got. I'm using these as like regular lug nuts, and I went with like the polished look to match the polished look of the wheel. So I went with these. These are just gonna be the regular kind. Comes with a key in the back, and then I got me a set of these. I don't want to show the pattern too much, you know what I mean? Don't show the pattern. But I got me a set of these. This is going to be one for each wheel. Comes with the key in the back. So we're all set to go with the rims. But now, let's go to my garage and let's see what's going on with Big Red. Alright, y'all. So I'm here at the garage and we got Big Red here. A lot of people been asking me about Big Red, and to be real, I've just been focusing on the coupe a lot. And Big Red really don't need much. I just need I need to do the cage, and what else? I need to organize like the relay panel and get the cage done, and just a few little minor things. But I've been waiting for it to get hot for me to do that. So let's turn her on and see what's going on. Before I turn her on, I also got like a belly pan for her, and I got the Kirky seat that will be going on. So there's a few things coming for her, but for the most part, everything mechanical is really how it's supposed to be. So I'm not really stressing it. I also got to take it to get in alignment, because in those previous vlogs that I did, the car was real, like, it was real shaky on the road from side to side. So, but let's turn her on. For those of you that seen the last vlog with Big Red, I actually put 93 gas in here. So it's on 93. I can't really be revving it crazy. It's just to idle it and warm it up basically. So let me turn her on and see what's going on. The fuel pump. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Let's see. I gotta hold the gas a little bit on a cold start, so let's get to it. There she goes. No matter how long I leave her, she's ready to go every time. See, I gotta organize all that over there. But we let her heat up and get back with you in a little bit. rival them, but sometimes it's a little sketchy. And not because it doesn't work, not because the training arms don't work properly. It's just the skinny tire in the back. You're really not getting that much traction. So any little hop and skip from the suspension being so stiff, you lose traction on the back tire, and it's gonna swing you out. So you gotta be really careful. So if you drive skinnies on the road, make sure you don't speed unless you're going in a straight line. You know what I'm saying? And it's smooth wherever you're going. So this is how. See, I need to organize all of this. I don't know. I might just send the car to get the whole wiring done. Because I want to simplify everything. But I still want the signal lights to work, the headlights and all of that. So show you guys all the lights. You can see them actually working. So all the lights on the car is functional. You got the tail lights, brake lights, the signal lights is LED, the reverse lights is LED, the front corner lights is LED, the headlights are LED. So this car gotta look nice at night, man. I gotta take it out at night one of these days. Ride around the neighborhood. So, Big Red's pretty much warmed up, but I wanted to take a chance to show you guys the lug nuts that I bought and the locks so you can get an idea how they're going to look on the rims for the AEG. So, let me show you. I got them already set up here. So, the ones I bought, the basic ones, were these like spline lug nuts. So, they'll look something like that up here. And then this is the lock one, which is a little slightly bigger, but since they like a chrome look, it should blend in with the aluminum. So I think they'll look pretty good on the coupe. But I was thinking something else. Since I got the hatch here, and she has the black rims on, the black slips, I was like, let me try one of these and put them next to it, see what the Big Red look like with those. So what do you guys think? I ain't really feeling it, to be honest, but how y'all think it looks, the red on the polish, huh? The red look better with the polish on? Because what I could do is I could grab the black set that I have and throw it on the EG coupe if you guys think it looks better than the aluminum, and then I just throw two front aluminum here so Big Red could be rolling on the two aluminum ones in the front. So plus this tire is like slightly bigger, it's a 205 50/15. So the ones on the black rims, they 195 50/15. So what do you guys think? How it looks? It look alright. I like the black better, to be honest. Blends in with all the black accents. A little replica spoon, carbon fiber mirrors, which you can't see nothing out of. If you got them, you know. And this is basically it. I can't wait to get this seat on. And let me show you guys something else for the coupe. So I got this fuel rail with this regulator. This is for the EG coupe. So I got this to install. I also have, let me show you guys. Got a catch can set up. ECU right there, version 1. If anybody wants it, I'll sell it. If not, I'll just use it on the coupe. So you guys let me know. And I got a couple more little things there. Got some, oh, let me not show y'all too much. Y'all gonna have to wait to see the vlogs. There's something else we're gonna tackle in upcoming vlogs. This is a 1987 Yamaha Banshee. First year produced. The frame's supposed to be red, but it looked like somebody sprayed it. But this is an original 1987 Yamaha Banshee. So, and look right here. You guys see I got the two other black slips. I got the Lenzo slicks up here. So let me know what you guys think. Should I throw the black rims on the coupe or the aluminum? I'm kind of digging the aluminum, so I'll probably throw those on first, and if I get enough comments, then I'll switch it to the black. So you guys let me know. Tell me how you feel. Let me give you guys one more look at Big Red. Since a few people was asking for an update, she's good. She's chilling. Gonna do a 10-point roll cage like I told you guys, and I think I'm gonna put the rear plastics back on. I don't think that makes that much of a difference in weight. So This is it. I'll be ending the video here. Love every single one of y'all. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And this is just like a little update vlog that I was giving you guys so you can see Big Red and see the wheels. And next vlog for sure, 100%, I'll be putting the wheels on the EG Coupe. So I promise you guys, the next time I upload a vlog, the wheels are going on. So it's Chopper. I'm out of here.